Orlando Machel. Forgot how nice Soca being when it comes to Soca time and Soca season. I'm going to lock in someone. Run through. Go on.
Reaction.
What's the ready to be about TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Now where your song from? Yeah, we need to talk slow and that bumbo climb. Anyways, our song from Machel Montano. You see me saying what name? Tano. Tano. Song is called Compromise. Official visualizer. It's Soca people. It's Soca season. That's the whole reason why I'm here. You see me say big up to my brother Jen Production on Instagram. Checking out our trend. I remind me say yo, remember you listen to the trend reaction them for the Soca season. You see me say so guess what? Big up myself again now. You can see what I'm going right now. If you want a big photographer, we'll link up my brother our trend. You see me I say Jen Production. Anyways, make us see what I'm going right there. So Machel Montano and Tano. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know the name, but anyways, I run the tune. Soca 2026, run the tune, if you see a bubble and I wanna put it. Hey, run it! Bingy, hold on, move Kenya too long to blood cloud. Why this sound like when a Uncle Jing Jang sang them dog? Hold on, weren't you? Mr. and Mrs. Voila, and she come out brawling too. But that not cool.
Hey, yeah, double M. Hey, I feel your frequency from miles away.
Alright,
you come alive with one wine, baby. Hey, with you I want to dance the night away. One jam to a lifetime, baby. So
excuse me, Orlando Machel. Forgot how nice Soca being when it comes to Soca time and Soca season. I'm going to lock in someone. Run through. Go on.
One jam to a lifetime, baby. So don't feel away. You don't like the fast life, but look on the bright side, girl. I go take the come and vibes it up, just a little winding up. Come and meet me behind the truck, can we rev it up all day?
To a mama full of energy, you know, say, you know, bored and that tall, you know, man. Just like the one sex, no boy, reading girl. You see me, I said, too much full of energy, all the blood clean truck and rock. Yo, watch out.
Come and meet me behind the truck, can we rev it up all day? Keep throwing it back, I know why you stop. Baby, no way. Up all the pictures you want when you're ready. I good over here, darling. You good over there. But we could meet in the middle and start about.
Hold on. Machel Montano. What am I just saying a while ago? We never look by you that, but it'll be right beside her. I'm sure say the same bumbuckler thing. Hold on.
Yeah, darling.
Right there, so.
Good over there. But we could meet in the middle and start about canal. Stay in the middle, hey. What we go do now? Jam to a rhythm in the heat, I can't leave all. But in the heat, hey. What we go do now? Start to wine on it. I say, compromise on it. Baby, spend time on it. I say, compromise on it. Hey, can we talk some business? You know I want your company. And it's nothing too risky. Limited liability. Don't worry. Try all the things I like. Yeah. You could still be shy in the morning, so don't feel away. You don't like the fast life, but look on the bright side, girl. I go take the blame. I just want you come and vibes it up, just a little winding out. Come and meet me behind the truck, can we rev it up? All day, keep throwing it back, I know.
The man said, come and meet me behind the truck, make you rev it up.
Can we rev it up? Say all day, keep throwing it back, I know why you stop. Baby, no way.
Hear that? Meet him back at the truck, make you rev it up. Hey, myself, keep winding up, don't stop. What?
Keep throwing it back, I know why you stop. Baby, no way. We could post up all the pictures you want When you're ready, I good over here, darling. You good over there. But we could meet in the middle and start a bacchanal. Stay in the middle, hey. What we go do now? Jam to a rhythm in the heat, I can't even.
Me have a question. Me have to ask. Me have to ask. She come from Trinidad or she American? That's all. Me don't know. Go on.
What we go do now? Start to wine on it. I say compromise on it. Baby, spend time on it. I say compromise on it. Start to wine on it.
This right thing she go sing to another dog.
Baby, spend time on it. I say compromise on it.
Anytime I come across the carnival time, I can always expect Mr. Machel to find a couple hit song, not just one. You see me? But I and I go soon another video. You hear me? So I'm telling him I give him a few videos today. You see me? I say, and that me I go do. Right now we are sign up though. Mother man.